Shamvi and you're watching Suraj and Shamvi TV and you're here today with me yet again for Funky Fridays. आज हम करने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही अजीब सी चीज. जैसे मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि अजीब हमेशा मेरे लिए कुछ ना कुछ अजीब होता है. So people are very curious to find out what's in my bag. So what do I carry in my bag? लड़कों को भी काफी क्यूरियोसिटी होती है कि हम देखें कि लड़कियों के बैग में exactly क्या होता है, वो क्या कैरी करती है. So today I'm going to be showing exactly what do I carry in my bag when I'm going out or I'm going to work. So are you ready? Let's go. So here is my bag. Yes, it's a big bag. It's a corporate size of a big bag. It's called Ted Baker bag. इसको मैं इसीलिए ले जाती हूँ because it has a lot of sections and I like big bags with a lot of pockets, but I can carry a lot of stuff. Actually अपना ही नहीं, मैं सूरज का भी बहुत सारा सामान कैरी करती हूँ, which is very weird because लड़कों को आदत होती है अपनी फ्रेंड्स को या अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स को या अपने पार्टनर्स या अपनी वाइफ्स को सामान देने की, यार तू ये भी रख ले, तू ये भी रख. So as you know, Corona time hai, so I carry my sanitizer, which is a virus guard sanitizer, and I've got this homeopathic medicines that I carry. It's for my hormones, so I always take it. It's very important. मैं इंडिया से मंगवाती हूँ अपनी medicines, तो मैं हमेशा कोशिश करती हूँ कि वो मेरे साथ रहे. And then I have got my Mobla signature pen. I carry this always whenever I have to sign something or I have to do some paperwork. So I carry this signature pen of mine because the ink is very good. Then I've got this pretty cute Clarins Paris instant lip comfort oil where I don't have to do anything. I don't want to put my makeup, like I'm not putting my makeup at the moment. As you can see, little pimple marks. I'm not putting my makeup. I usually carry this just to enhance my lips. So as you can see, it's a little matte at the moment. It's gonna get shiny now. So yes, this is what I carry, and I've got this very cute Chanel lipstick that I carry in case I want to change my shade. I carry this Maybelline matte, and I carry this little perfume miniature because I don't carry big perfumes in my bag because of the weight, of course. So I carry this cute Giorgio Armani cute little C miniature with me. Whenever I have to use, I just put it like that before I go for my meetings. And I carry my LV shades. Why do I carry my shades? See, Australian sun is pretty bad. So Australia में sun की वजह से बहुत सारे बच्चों को, बहुत सारे adults को eyesight का issue है. मेरे को लगता है कि मैं usually पहले shades नहीं पहनती थी because I used to think that people will think what a show off and all. But strangely when I started seeing these Australians wearing these shades always when they go out, even go to grocery shopping, I used to be like, जैसे हम इंडिया में आदत होती है कि why are you wearing shades and all. But I didn't know that they are really good to protect your eyes. So I had to force myself and I had to buy a good quality one so that my eyes are protected because मुझे चश्मे लग गए. मुझे पहले लगा कि मुझे काम से चश्मे लगे, but actually मुझे डॉक्टर्स ने बोला कि आपको चश्मे लगे because your eyes have been damaged by UV rays. So please make sure always wear your shades in sunshine. Like I made a mistake, you don't make a mistake. Okay? Alright. So now let's proceed. Okay, very important. I always carry my Shamvi drive. This is my hard drive. I always carry 3-4 USBs, but USBs don't have space, and if they get corrupted or something like that, I always carry my drive. It's very important. इसमें मेरा सब कुछ है, like all my documentations, my work stuff, everything. I always carry with me just in case because ऐसा हुआ है. मुझे लोग कहते हैं यार तू ये शॉपिंग पे ले जाती है ड्राइव लेकर, मतलब तूने ड्राइव रखी हुई है. I'm like, I keep my drive because literally ऐसा एक दो बारी हुआ है कि randomly मुझे call आया and they needed this document very urgently, and if I wouldn't have it, I would have been in deep trouble. So then I have this wallet that I carry, which is Vola wallet, which should not have any money at the moment because यहाँ पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में people carry cards. And there's a lot of plastic money, plastic popularity बहुत ज़्यादा है. People don't usually carry cash, and due to Corona, we don't carry cash, and I'm always not carrying cash, and I don't have cash. So I carry this wallet, has all of my Indian stuff. So then I've got this Michael Kors very cute card holder, which has got different colors, which I've never organized according to the color, but I always keep this because it's got different membership cards. You know, wherever you go, you have these cards. Ma'am loyalty card hai, just take it. So I keep this just to be organized because my wallet doesn't have that much space. Okay, I don't know, why do I have lock? My purse has a lock, I don't know, I haven't traveled since ages and I don't lock my bag, but I don't know why I have this tala. Alright, so now I've got this very cute little handkerchief which is given by my mum. I don't carry handkerchiefs, but you know, strangely, whatever mums give you or they tell you कि बेटा ये रख लो, ये ultimately काम आ जाता है, because मेरे साथ बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ है ये. So I always carry anything that my mum has given me. What else do I have? So I've got mints. Mints is very important because when you go for meeting, you don't wanna, जैसे हम इंडियन खाना खाते हैं हमारे garlic का taste होता है, then we have our प्याज का taste. We don't want that smell to come out. और मुझे खाने पीने का बहुत शौक है, so I full on eat. And I carry my house keys. My house keys are like matching my top at the moment. So yeah, house keys is very important. Otherwise, we've got different timings to come home. We don't have any helpers at home. We don't have our parents living with us. So who's gonna open the door for me? And then I carry my charger. Charger is very important because if your phones run out, मेरे सारा सब कुछ actually मेरे phone में है. Okay, so now I've got this chashma, which I actually don't wear. I wear sometimes. I don't know. I feel sometimes मेरे को ना चश्मे पहन के सर दर्द शुरू हो रहा था. आपको भी ऐसा लगता है? होता है ऐसा? I don't know. Maybe it's not still settled on my eyes. Suraj tells me this is एक तो मैं तेरे लिए बनवा के लाया इंडिया से, रीडिंग ग्लासेस होती है ये सब, but I don't wear it यार. I don't know why, but I should wear it. Yeah. So I've got a phone. This is an extra phone. I don't know why do I have the extra phone. Yeah. Okay. So I have this extra phone because मेरा data transfer नहीं हुआ था. And I've got one more phone which is here. So I've got two Samsung. I'm an Android user. I don't use Apple because I find it too complicated. I don't want to say it, but yeah, I'm an Android fan. Yep. So pretty much this is it. This is it in my bag. So I hope guys you had fun watching my cute little Funky Fridays vlog. Please stay tuned for more vlogs and do watch our all the vlogs. Until then, keep it simple.